Hello, my name is Denise Lee, and I am the creator of North Pole Accounting. I taught accounting for 28 years, and most of those years I learned very much so that I did not want to teach new content the month of December because the students really needed to review and not only review but master what they have learned so far in the class. So in job number one of this North Pole accounting simulation, the students are looking at accounts and they are simply categorizing them and also telling where the normal balance is. And job number two, after given the chart of accounts for Santa's workshop, students then are journalizing, recording journal entries for the Santa's workshop as well. In job number three, the students are going to be looking at a staff directory and deciding what elf would be doing each of the accounting tasks. This teaches students about what tasks might encompass an accounting department, and they're also using their critical thinking skills and knowledge about accounting to answer. In job number four, they're going to decide whether these elves are on the naughty list or the nice list, and whether these scenarios are ethical or unethical. And they're going to drag and drop the plaques over the accounting scenarios. This intertwines gap concepts and ethics concepts. In job number five, we are taking that very important accounting equation, and students are going to be dragging and dropping accounting accounts and deciding whether they are assets, liabilities, or owner's equity. Thank you so much for your interest in my North Pole accounting simulation.